Hey everybody, so this is just a quick video to help you in case you have a Whirlpool dryer and you're getting a PF error code. So a PF error code is very simply when you have the dryer running, and while the dryer is running there is a power failure, and so it's telling you that the dryer was interrupted, the drying cycle was interrupted by a power failure, hence the letters PF. So all you really need to do is to touch and hold the start button to restart the dryer cycle, or you can just press power to clear out the display. So anyways, again, if you get a PF error code, this might be on your hybrid care dryer. This just means that your drying cycle was interrupted by a power failure, and all you need to do is press and hold the start button to restart the dryer, or just press power to clear everything out. So I hope that helped, and if it did, if you'd please leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it, and have a great day.